Hello everyone. Welcome back to Cloud Academy. In today's video, we'll explore an important concept in Kubernetes: the difference between stateless and stateful applications. Understanding this distinction is key for making the right architectural decisions when deploying applications in the cloud. So, let's break it down. Let's start with stateless applications. As the name suggests, stateless applications don't store any session data or information between user requests. Each request is treated independently, and the server doesn't need to remember anything about previous interactions. Examples of stateless applications include web servers that serve static content or APIs that don't rely on persistent data. Stateless apps are easier to scale because there's no need to worry about data synchronization across multiple instances. To summarize, stateless applications do not retain information between requests, are ideal for tasks that don't require persistent storage, and are easier to scale because each instance is independent. Now let's look at stateful applications. Unlike stateless apps, stateful applications need to keep track of data between sessions or requests. This means that the server or application must remember past interactions or maintain data consistency. Examples of stateful applications include databases, messaging queues, or applications like online shopping carts that need to persist user data throughout the session. Key features of stateful applications are that they store data and session information, require persistent storage to maintain their state, and need more complex management when scaling, as each instance may require consistent data. In Kubernetes, understanding the distinction between stateless and stateful is crucial when deciding how to manage your workloads. Kubernetes offers different ways to handle each type of application. For stateless applications, Kubernetes uses deployments. Deployments allow you to manage and scale stateless apps easily, as you don't need to worry about data persistence. Kubernetes can automatically scale, update, or roll back these applications with minimal hassle. For stateful applications, Kubernetes offers StatefulSets. StatefulSets are designed to manage stateful apps where each pod requires a unique identity and stable, persistent storage. They ensure that pods are created, updated, and deleted in a predictable order, and that they maintain their state across rescheduling. Let's compare these two for a quick understanding. Use deployments when you're dealing with stateless applications that don't require persistent data, such as web servers or stateless APIs. Use StatefulSets when your applications need to store data across restarts, like databases or messaging systems. Here are some best practices for managing these apps in Kubernetes. For stateless apps, ensure you have enough replicas to handle traffic. Use load balancing to distribute requests, and consider auto-scaling to handle spikes in demand. For stateful apps, make sure you have proper storage configurations using persistent volumes, plan for backups, and ensure data consistency across multiple instances. To recap, stateless applications don't need to store data between requests, making them easier to scale, while stateful applications require persistent storage and more careful management. Kubernetes helps manage these applications with deployments for stateless apps and StatefulSets for stateful apps. Thanks for tuning in to Cloud Academy. I hope this breakdown helped you understand the differences between stateless and stateful applications and how Kubernetes manages them. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cloud computing content. Drop any questions you have in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.